Excuse me, boss. Yes, come in. What's up, Mono? Boss, I came across something which can give us a huge lead over our competitors if we add it to our website. What's implementation success percentage? About 95%. He's really good with predicting the success percentage and never said above 70% about anything before. I have to hear it out. Alright, next 1 minute is yours. So, how exactly we going to achieve this? By accepting cryptocurrencies. No, we can't do that. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. There is a solution for it. I'm listening. UTRUST. To put it very simple, UTRUST is like PayPal for cryptocurrencies. Interesting. So how exactly it works? When a customer makes a crypto payment through UTRUST platform converts the cryptos into fiat instantly to avoid market volatility. And on top of it, it also provides buyer and seller protection similar to PayPal. That makes sense. But what about the company reputation? Do they have any big partners? Yes, they do. Very recently, they partnered with UMT AG, who is one of the largest mobile payment solution providers in Europe. Already big players are coming in. UTRUST. If we're able to receive our payments in fiat as usual, and if there is a chance to get advantage over our competitors by early adoption of the platform, it's worth giving a try. Alright, that's enough. Complete the registration and initiate the website integration. Alright boss, thank you. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Crypto Guru here, and this is actually not a promotional video, but this is the reality. There are lots of people who are willing to spend in cryptos, but the reasons why merchants are not accepting cryptos are the market volatility and the absence of buyer and seller protection. UTRUST solves these two problems. It is true that by using UTRUST platform, you can get a huge lead over your competitors. And one more thing, if you are a cryptocurrency supporter and want to use cryptocurrency in your day-to-day life, then there have to be a mass adoption. Mass adoption comes through valuable projects like UTRUST. And that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Guru channel for more simplified versions of cryptocurrency videos. Thank you.